Hello and welcome to this very first mathematics lesson. My name is Professor Robert, and on this channel we will work together solving mathematics problems. In today's very first lesson, we are going to look at the use of maths, use of mathematics. And later we will look at an example of why we study mathematics. Now let's dive into it right away. Have you ever taken medicine and wondered who decided how much you should take? It's pharmacists, Pharmacists rely heavily on mathematics every single day. And pharmacists are healthcare professionals who, one, distribute prescription. Pharmacists advise patients and doctors. Pharmacists explain side effects of medicines, but most importantly, pharmacists monitor safe medication use. Now, before a pharmacist can complete their training, they will have at least 2 years of college mathematics, and they will study courses including 1, college algebra. Then they will study trigonometry. Then they will study statistics. And finally, they have to study calculus 1. Now let's look at a live example of the use of mathematics by a pharmacist. Let's suppose a doctor prescribes a drug dosage of 10 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. And if a patient weighs 70 kilograms, we find that the total prescription would be 10 multiplied by 70 to give us 700 milligrams. So that's what the pharmacist would prescribe, and the doctor will administer it. Now, if for some reason the doctor gives too little, instead of 700, gives less than 700, this won't work. The medicine won't work. But again, if he administers too much, this is dangerous, and we call it overdosing. Overdosing. That's why mathematics accuracy can save lives, and that's why pharmacists study mathematics. Now, if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thank you for learning with me, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.